Okay, the hardware type product attribute is where you're going to put in your handles and knobs combinations, where the customer can choose if they would like to. Right now they're currently hidden, but if you want to make those available, the pricing formulas and inventory system is in place to be able to do that. If you look at the fields, let's go over quickly the fields on hardware type. First one is the pricing ID, which over on your pricing tab of your products, it is looking here where it says knobs and pulls per item. So your first value, so a number 1 is going to be just looking at the price, and a number 2 pricing ID would do your cost plus a margin functions. So you'd be doing cost plus a margin, one plus this margin, so it'd be timesing it by 1.4. In other words, adding 40%. Then an export code, as it does in everywhere else, and your supply or your inventory that it's going to set aside. Pretty simple function, but powerful in being able to allow your customers to choose hardware type if you would like to.